The dimensions of a rectangular flower garden were 8 meters by 15 meters, and then they increased each dimension by the same amount. So we're starting off with, it used to be 8 by 15. And if we increase both by the same amount, I can use the same variable. So I'm adding an x to this, and I'm adding an x to this. I'm increasing them by the same amount. And that's what we need to find the dimensions of the new garden. So we've actually got a couple steps. When I go to do length times width on this one, this is a little bit different than the last couple, only because, and I'm going to turn that around, I'm going to make that x plus 8 and x plus 15. So this one is not just distributive property, we actually have to, this is at 198, we actually have to FOIL. So a little review of FOIL, which isn't bad. So first, x times x. Outside is x times 15. Inside is 8 times x. Last is 8 times 15, which is 120. Okay, so there's our FOIL, and then I'm going to combine like terms and get x squared plus 23x. And then I'm subtracting the 198 all at the same time. So that's where I got this minus 78. Sorry about that, my camera froze for just a second. So this was my combined like terms. This is 120 minus 198 is negative 78. So there's my quadratic equation. This does factor, or you can use the quadratic formula, so I'll leave that up to you. Again, ignore your negative answer. Once you have your positive answer, you're not quite done yet. Your positive answer is just x. So since they're actually asking you to find the dimensions of the new garden, then you have to add that x to both the 15 and the 8.